How to remove printer ink fast. Just changed your ink cartridge and now your fingers look like a crime scene. Here's how to get printer ink off fast and off almost anything else it landed on. For your skin, don't reach for soap first. The secret is breaking down the ink before you wash. Rub in a little rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer, then wash with dish soap. It breaks down ink way better than regular soap. What about your workspace? Ink on your countertop or desk can be tricky, but these two tools work best. A magic eraser or some baking soda paste lifts it right off most surfaces without scratching. Ink on clothes is an emergency. The most important rule? Act fast before the stain sets forever. Act fast. Dab. Don't rub, with rubbing alcohol from the back of the fabric, then wash as usual. The longer it sits, the more it sets. Save this for the next time printer ink ends up somewhere it shouldn't. Quick action saves your skin and your surfaces. And if that ink cartridge is costing you a fortune, Castle Ink has compatible cartridges for up to 70% less than OEM pricing. Visit us at castleink.com.